Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel if you also trade on other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD and others. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter. Before we proceed with the chart, I would like to take you to the sentiment meter here. You will find the sentiment meter on my website avilashhajarika.com under the Forex 101 section. Keep in mind the sentiment meter shows the position of the retail traders, not the institutions. And usually we always see that market always move against the sentiment meter. Here is our beloved goal, and as you can see, the 79% retail traders have taken short position. They are on the sell side, and only 20% traders have taken long position. They are on the buy side. And if you are watching this video, then you know the up move on gold in the gold right now very well. And the sad story is that the average selling price is 1821, and right now almost majority of the retail traders are holding on to their sell position and just hoping that there will be a trend reversal, there will be some correction in the market and they will be able to exit. But right now, this is a news driven market. As we all know, there is a crisis going on in the world. Russia Ukraine crisis, and as a result, this is a news driven market. And the sad story is that in a market condition like this, the levels do not work well. Okay. Now let's talk about charts. This is the chart of gold 4-hour chart and this is our DXY. As I just said, that in a market scenario like this, in a situation like this, okay, the levels hardly work. Previously, if you have watched my videos, then you know it very well. Then I always talk about DXY, but right now the scene is completely different. The movement of gold does not depend on the DXY right now because whenever there is a crisis in the world, okay, gold is considered as the safest investment option, and traders, investors around the world consider Japanese yen, Swiss franc, US dollar as the safe currencies, safe haven currency. As a result, all the safe haven currencies, gold, are all going up together. So right now, though, if you also are thinking that gold will be you can trade on gold according to the movement of the DXY, then my dear friend, this is how things will work right now. Okay, again I'm saying this is a news driven market, so you must be very careful. Always keep in mind, whenever there is a crisis around the world, whenever there is an important event or any news comes out, then that becomes a fundamentally driven market. Usually, every market is influenced by two factors: fundamentals and technicals. Fundamental means the news, events and all, and technicals mean the support resistance level. So if a market is being pushed by fundamentals, then support and resistance, the technicals do not work. And this is the best example of the market right now. Anyways, if you do not have any sell position on the market right now, and if you're looking for a fresh window, fresh opportunity on gold right now, then I'll say, let's see, just look at the patterns here, just observe the pattern on gold. Right now it's standing at the top. So see, gold will remain bullish as long as the tension is there in the market. There is the crisis going on. There is no solution to Russia and Ukraine crisis. Okay, as long as the crisis is there, gold will remain bullish. I think so. So as a result, okay, gold will be bullish, but this is not the ideal position. Okay, let the gold come down a bit because it will also try to take a risk. Okay, when you will see that some sort of retracement on gold, then we can take a buy position. Okay. So when there will be some retracement on gold, take a buy position on gold. Because right now, if you take a buy position here, and after some time, if you see that gold retraces, your heartbeat will become fast. Okay, so don't do that. let the gold retrace, and when again gold will be trying to go up, you can take a buy position as well. And right now, uh, as we all know that we all had a resistance at gold around this level. This was the resistance for gold, okay, and we can almost see, okay, we can almost see that gold is standing at resistance, but right now we do not have a clear answer whether gold will reverse or not. And considering the overall scenario of gold, I don't think so that we are going to have a trend reversal from this year. Yes, there may be some correction, but I don't think so there will be a strong trend reversal. So if you are taking a sell position at this level here, or if you are planning to take a sell position, my dear friend, be very careful. If you are an experienced trader, then only you should take a sell position. Otherwise, wait for retracement, and if you see that after retracement gold is going up again, then only take a buy. Otherwise, if you are unable to understand the condition of the market right now, you can avoid the market as well, because most importantly you should know what is going on in the market. Okay, and see, every market, okay, mm, trades on different different phases. Okay, so sometimes it becomes very difficult for traders to understand the market. If you have considerable experience in the market, then you will know the cycles of the market. Okay, this is one of the cycle where you need to be very patient and where you need to be very safe. Okay, so if you want to take a sell position, if you see some kind of reversal here, you can take a sell position after looking at the reversal, but be very careful and do not expect a trend reversal until and unless some news comes up. Okay, let's say there's a news in the market that no, Russia will not be attacking on Ukraine. Ukraine is going back again. Then there may be some strong reversal and we can take a sell position. But if without any proper news, if you are taking a sell position, be very careful. Otherwise, wait for some retracement and wait for the market to go up. And those who have a sell position on the market right now, I think that you should already book your loss. Okay, if you already have a book your loss. Max to max, you can wait till yesterday, because I read somewhere that something big is about to happen on Wednesday. Okay, I don't know what will happen tomorrow. Okay, but there may be some news again. So let's see. Okay, I don't think so. There will be some craziness in the market, because see, Russia is also afraid of the sanctions. Okay, if Russia attacks Ukraine, then there will be high sanctions on Russia, and Russia is already under some kind of economic pressure right now. Okay, so the economic sanctions on Russia will be very hard. So Russia may change its decision as well. Okay, so anyways, whatever you do, okay, please follow proper risk management, because in this market, if you do not follow risk management, okay, you are really risking your hard-earned money, and really you need to reconsider your decision as a trader. Okay, because if you do not follow risk management in this market, and if you blow up your account, okay, then my dear friend, you seriously need to work on your risk management, because your load as a trader will be very tough. Okay, please protect your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.